Okay, so what you have to do, just grab your video onto the timeline, select your video and click on the color page, and here what we have to do is very simple. We have dynamic arrange, we also have color wheels, and here that's where we have to go. And here if we play with lift, we can brighten your video if that's what you're looking for. Maybe your video is too dark, and if it's too dark, maybe like this. If you add a bit of dark brightness, that can probably fix the problem. So that's very simple and it's not complicated at all. Now if you go to the edit page, that's what you're gonna see. Now your video looks brighter, and I hope this video helped you. Now if you're looking for a second method, you can also go to the diffusion page, and here if you press on your keyboard shift plus space on your keyboard, and here you write brightness and contrast and you add this, now you can play with gain as well here, and you can add even more brightness, which I think you have more control, but that's just your preference. You can also use color page here or fusion and change settings. So I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.